friends, Tandy here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and show your girl some love by subscribing to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove hard water stains on your bathroom chrome or fixtures using this product here called the pink stuff. This product works and I use it a lot in my house these days. It works, so why not? Do stick till the end and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make your chrome sparkling and shiny. Here's what you need to get started. The pink stuff, of course, a non-scratch sponge, microfiber towel, and a glass cleaner for polishing. Apply the pink stuff around the chrome and let it dwell for about 2 to 3 minutes. Use a non-scratch sponge to clean, making sure you get into all the tight areas. Rinse thoroughly and wipe with a microfiber towel. Here I'm just spraying my glass cleaner to give the chrome a shiny finish. If you don't have a glass cleaner, that's okay. You can go ahead and polish the chrome area before it gets dry. That is just as soon as you finish wiping off the water. Look at that, guys. The chrome looks brand new. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's shining and it's definitely far much better than what it was. Overall, I do recommend this product and suggest you try it at home if you have a problem with hard water stains build up on your chrome. That's it, friends. I hope you learned something new today. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you have the pink stuff in your cleaning caddy and also the areas you have used it on. Also, remember to subscribe and to click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload another video, and I'll love you forever. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.